Hi there. The ecosystem terms begin on page 161 and they go through 163. And I think I told you wrong last time. The evolution terms only go through page 160. So I'm sorry about that. I'm used to counting 4 ahead and I just made a mistake. So I'm sorry. But the ecosystem terms are short, but they're important. So let's go through them. The first one is abiotic. Abiotic components. And remember that bio, we've already added this one, but bio means life. So anytime you see bio, it's something to do with life. Abiotic means it goes against life. Abiotic means non-living factors in an ecosystem. And some examples of that would be the buildings. Anything man-made is abiotic because man is not capable of giving life. So we can't create living things. We can only reproduce the life that we already have. So things that are in your environment that are not living are abiotic. Like gases, the air, the soil, those kinds of things also. Even though they're not man-made, they're part of the environment that is not living. A biome is a community with many ecosystems. So picture in your mind an area with a lake beside a mountain. You have the lake life, the water life, you have the mountain life, the forest life. You may have grasslands there also. And each of those environments is a different ecosystem. So a biome would be all of those together. Let me see if I can find you a picture of a biome just to make that a little bit clearer. Here's one. This is the one I'm thinking of. So if you look at this picture of a biome, you have lots of different areas. You have the forest, the desert, the water, the mountains, even the clouds. You've got different areas around in this picture. Those are different biomes. And let's see if we can find, that's a good one also. That gives you some different examples of biomes. Areas of life would be a good way to describe it. Here's an interesting one too. These are different regions of forest based on the altitude where they are on the latitude scale. So those are biomes as well. Okay, biotic components. Remember, biotic is life. So these are living things in an ecosystem. You are biotic. Your car is abiotic in an ecosystem. So finally, we're going to define ecosystem. And it is just a particular environment. And anytime you see eco, let's go ahead and make that a morpheme. That is going to be environmental most always. Sometimes it can mean inexpensive, like economy is inexpensive. If you find an economy hotel, that's a hotel that's not as expensive as a luxury hotel. But usually eco means environment. And minerals. Minerals are a class of substances in nature. Our bodies need minerals to survive, but we also need them in our environments. So minerals are a class of substances found in nature. If you want to read more about biomes and ecosystems and those good things, you can check that out in the textbook. It's a really good little chapter. And there are some practice questions as well. Okay, let's add to our morphemes list. I'm pretty sure bio is already on there because it's such a common one in science, but we'll double check. Maybe I'm wrong. We've got quite a list. And maybe I am wrong, guys. I don't see it listed. So let's go ahead and list it. Even if we have it twice, that's better than not having it at all. So bio is life, and eco is environment or earth. Sometimes environment. So 2 more morphemes for your morphemes list. And I will see you in the next video for the last set of definitions. Have a great day.